Hello everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to share some incredible insights with all my fellow agriculture enthusiasts out there. Today, we are talking about teaching strategies. And these strategies are all about integrating ecological literacy into our curriculum. And these methods are crucial for connecting with nature, understanding environmental principles, and fostering a passion for sustainable farming. So as an agriculture student myself, nauunawaan ko ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng koneksyon sa kalikasan at pag-unawa sa mga prinsipyo na nagpapalakad sa ating kapaligiran. Kaya't sama-sama nating tuklasin kung paano ang mga makabagong pamamaraang ito sa pagtuturo ay makatutulong sa atin upang maging mas mabuting tagapangalaga ng lupa habang binubuhay ang ating pagmamahal sa agrikultura. And by embracing these diverse teaching strategies, educators ensure that all students are engaged and empowered to become stewards of the land. From place-based learning to project-based approaches, each method offers unique opportunities for hands-on experience and critical thinking. And additionally, Socratic inquiry encourages students to question assumptions and cultivate wisdom beyond textbooks. Experiential learning also allows students to immerse themselves in agriculture, fostering a deep connection with land, while interdisciplinary learning ties everything together, providing a holistic understanding of agriculture that transcends disciplinary boundaries. Kaya sa mga kapwa ko mag-aaral ng agrikultura, tanggapin natin ang mga pamamaraang ito ng pagtuturo ng bukas sa isip at sa ating puso. Magtanim tayo ng mga binhi ng kaalaman, pagyamanin ang kuryosidad at anihin ang isang anihan ng karunungan na magpapakain sa atin sa habang panahon. Sa sama-sama nating pagsisikap, maaari nating palakasin ang agrikultura at ang ating planeta tungo sa isang mas maaliwalas at mas sustainable na hinaharap. This is my reflection about integrating ecological literacy into the curriculum. Thank you for watching.